Alright, you guys, how y'all doing? I'm back to do some more propagating. Earlier, I had a demonstration how I put the coffee grounds in with the soil. Someone wanted to see that. It's a simple little thing. I just incorporated the coffee grounds into the soil. I just gently mixed it in there, and then I just put some cuttings in there. Going to see in a little bit how that takes off. Now my babies right here that I got through the mail, I'm about to propagate some of them. Look how big they are. I'm about to cut them, and then I'm just gonna use soil, put them in these planters right here. I'm gonna use some sand and these small little gravel rocks right here. That's for what you call it, the aesthetics. These cute little rocks. So first thing I'm gonna do is take my scissors and do some cuttings. Y'all can see me do one cut, but the rest of them I gotta put my camera down because I don't have nobody to hold it. So I'll be back. Okay, I've cut some of the. I'm jumping because all these bugs out here, these bees, I don't like them, but I know that they're important. But anyway, I've cut down my plant, and you can see all the little cuttings right here. I hope I got the right. I don't have a lot of sunlight in the way. These are my cuttings that I just got laying across here. So let me turn the camera around and say hello. Okay, y'all, how y'all doing? And I'm looking like this. I ain't got my glasses on, but hey, I'm doing a gardening update. Well, not a gardening update slash propagating gardening video. So I'm just sharing with y'all how I'm going through what I need to do to make some more plants, because my planter got overgrown. Overgrown with plants, so I'm just gonna do some cuttings and we'll go from there and see what happens. Okay, back to the plants. Alright, so I'm gonna have to put this down, camera down, to put this stuff in the dirt. Like I got sand and some aesthetics, pretty little rocks. Well, let me get started. Next time I'll try to put this camera on something, which is going to be hard to do, but let me go and get started and put these things in the dirt so I can get back out of the inside, because the bees are out. Alright, I'll be back in a minute, you guys. Okay guys, I have put my cuttings in their new homes for now. I made 4 new succulents. So, and then you see my pothos, Devil's Island, that I did earlier. And that's what I left of the baby plants. I didn't use any of this mother of a thousands, which I'm gonna cut it down some more. That baby get real nasty looking when it get big. It's cute when it's small. This one here, I couldn't get anything off of. Oh, I did take some leaves off of it and stick it in the side. So I'll see if they take off. We'll see if this stuff grows. See if I have any luck. Alrighty. Back to me again. Okay, that's it for today for my balcony gardening propagations share. I don't know why I'm acting. This is my first time doing it, I guess because I'm on the camera. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. More to come. Check out my other videos. And like I said, I'm gonna keep on saying, white people quit purging people of color. Leave us alone. Stop purging. You're making things worse. Bye.